Hello everyone, welcome to Southern Wreaths. Be sure to watch my video till the end for a sneak peek at my next video, and please subscribe. Today I'm going to make this Scaredy Cat's Welcome wreath. I fell in love with this cat ribbon, and that was the inspiration for this wreath. These are the supplies I'm going to use to make this wreath. I am going to be making bundles today. I like to use my Bodabra when I'm making bundles, but you can also use a chip clip. I'm going to start by cutting my mesh. I'm going to cut at, I believe, 6-inch pieces. Sorry, 8-inch pieces. I should have known that. I was at 24. So I just put it out to 24 and then slice it 3 times. It makes my life simpler. And I'm using Dollar Tree like lime green mesh, and I'm just going to double it up. I'm going to cut this at 8 inches as well. And I'm going to show you a trick with this mesh. I wasn't sure how many pieces I was going to need, so I have to cut more later. I will try my best to count the bundles for you. Alright, I love to use my Bodabra for things like this. It just frees my hands up. So I'm going to take this black mesh and do rolls, like curls. I'm going to use 3 per section. Now here's my trick with the Dollar Tree 6-inch mesh, or just 6-inch mesh in general. So you're going to curl it the same way, but instead of making it center, I'm going to put it to the left. And then I'm going to curl another one. And then I'm just going to put that to the right. So it appears like it's one large piece of a curl, but it's actually 2 pieces put together. And once you put the ribbon on top, you can't see where the 2 meet in the middle. And I'm going to do this twice. I'm going to do 2, well, it'd be 4 green pieces per section. And you can also do this when you're making ruffles. You can have 2 6-inches and put them side by side and ruffle them. You get the same effect. I'm going to add 2 pieces of the black ribbon and 2 pieces of the green ribbon per bundle. I'm also going to make just plain black bundles to fill in between these. And they'll just be the curls. Since these bundles are so full, I am going to use a whole pipe cleaner. For the black bundles, I believe I only use half a pipe cleaner because they don't have as much stuff in them. Alright, I like to curl, like push on the bundle as I'm twisting so it makes it stand out. And then I'll just fluff my ribbon. And see, you can't tell that that mesh is 6 inches. Okay, so to add this, I straddle the 2 center with the bundle. So I put it on either side of the 2 center bars. And then I'm just going to twist as tight as I can 3 times. Now, as I'm adding this, you'll see holes. And that's because I was trying to get an even amount of each one in each section. And then I'll go back through and add the black in between. But I'm going to do the same thing all the way around. I'll go over the 2 center bars and then twist as tightly as I can. And you want to twist it pretty tight so that once you get it in place, it doesn't move. But you don't want it so tight that you can't shift it around. And you don't want it to bend the bars. So you want it somewhere in between. I really love the way this looks. And you can add anything to your bundles. You can add like mesh tubing. You can add tulle. Tulle is really pretty. And when you put them on the top, when you fold and twist each bundle, it'll make the tool stand out, so it's not going to disappear. So after I added all of my green bundles, I made these black bundles, and there's 3 curls in each section. I added 2 green bundles per section. And then I put black in, and you do want to shove it in there, and you want it to be really full so you can't see through to the bar. And now I'm going to make a bow using my really cute cat ribbon. The eyes are lime green, and that's why I used the lime green ribbon and mesh. And I've had this ribbon for a while, and I couldn't figure out a good way to use it, so I decided to just use it for the bow. It's so cute. And I have a video on how to make a bow with a bow dabber, and I'll link it here so you can see exactly what I did to make this bow. And once I get my loops done and trim away my tail, I'm going to wrap this pipe cleaner around it, or you can use a zip tie, and then I will pull it tightly, and then I'll fluff the bow. And now I'm just trying to figure out where I want to add it, and I like the bottom better, so I'm just going to feed through to the back and wrap the pipe cleaner around the frame. And then I'm just going to fluff it a little bit. This is what it looks like before I put the sign on, and you could leave it just like this and it looks great. But I really wanted a sign, and I could not find one that I liked, so I just decided to make one. So I painted a piece of wood black, and then I used my Cricut, and I made this. I weeded it and added it to transfer paper, and then I'm going to lay it across and push down as much as I can, and then I will just peel it away. And I do have a video on how I made my signs myself, and I'll link it here. You want to make sure your sign is dry before you add your vinyl, because mine would not stick, so I have to go back through once I'm done with the video, and I had to use some super glue to glue the letters back down. That was the best way I've found to keep the letters to stay put. And then I will spray it with a clear sealant once it's done. And then to attach it, I just stapled pipe cleaners to the back and fed it through to the back and twisted it around the frame. And that's it. That's how I made my Scaredy Cats welcome sign. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, or you can email me at craftingwithlee@yahoo.com. Thanks so much for watching, and if you learned anything today or if you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.